Good morning. This is Terry Redding at Redding Observatory in West Palm Beach, Florida. I've been preparing for a mutual event in support of Scotty Dagenhart's efforts to detect an atmosphere on the moon Io. And it's an interesting event. We're going to be observing two moons of Jupiter, and we'll watch one pass in front of the other. And we'll extend the period of time that we observe well to the beginning and well after the what we would think of as a standard event up to 6 radii of the circumference of Io, in an effort to detect the presence of an atmosphere that extends out that far. I'm using 3 telescopes, a 14-inch LX200R with a Watt 120N plus camera, and then I'll be using a Vixen 80mm with a 902H2 Ultimate and a 3X Barlow, and then I'll be using a Stellaview 70mm telescope with a PC164CEX-2 camera and a Telemate PowerMate Teleview PowerMate 2.5 to increase the the optical power. The video that you're watching shows those 3 cameras set up with those 3 telescopes in that particular configuration. So you can see I can achieve basically the same magnification with 3 different instruments by varying the optical path, and then using 3 different types of cameras for recording. I hope to be able to capture useful data from which we can do a photometric reduction and determine if there's any presence or an indication of a presence of the atmosphere as Scotty suspects. So it's a lot of fun to do this kind of science from your backyard observatory. We encourage all that see this to consider getting involved in amateur astronomy. It's just a great hobby. Again, Terry Redding from West Palm Beach, Florida, from Redding South Observatory. And keep looking up, as a famous astronomer once said. Wishing you clear skies, and goodbye.